The power of combining standing and seated yoga poses. Combining standing and seated poses in yoga creates more than just a flow. It ignites strength, cultivates flexibility, and nurtures mindfulness. By interweaving the stability of standing postures with the gentle release of seated stretches, practitioners tap into the synergy of a whole-body connection. This harmonious approach invites you to move with intention, explore the rhythm of your breath, and find balance in every transition. Together, these elements create not just a practice, but a journey toward physical and mental empowerment. Enhances balance and stability. Switching between standing and seated poses refines your balance, sharpens focus, and builds core strength, offering a stable foundation for both your body and mind. Builds strength and flexibility. Standing poses cultivate endurance and power. Seated poses encourage relaxation and deeper stretches, creating a complementary union. Encourages smooth transitions. Seamlessly moving from one pose to the next sharpens body awareness and coordination, fostering mindfulness in motion. Supports full-body engagement. This dynamic practice works all major muscle groups, resulting in a well-rounded physical and mental experience. Promotes relaxation and grounding. Concluding with calming seated or supine poses allows the body to unwind fully, preparing you for rest and restoration. This inspiring sequence integrates standing and seated poses to balance energy, stability, and serenity in your practice. Cat-cow stretch, Majjaryasana Bitalasana. Begin on all fours, inhale, arch your back, cow pose, and exhale, round the spine, cat pose. Repeat for 5-6 breaths to awaken your spine and center your breath. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lift your hips into an inverted V shape, stretching the hamstrings and shoulders. Alternate bending each knee to warm up. Forward fold Uttanasana. From downward dog, step forward and fold over your legs. Let gravity release tension from your spine, staying here for 3-5 breaths. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Stand tall and grounded. Breathe deeply as you feel the connection between your body and the earth. Chair pose, Utkatasana. Engage your core and legs as you sit into chair pose, arms raised like a symbol of strength and determination. Warrior Ein, Virabhadrasana Ein. Step back, lift your arms, and breathe deeply into this powerful stance. Build your inner and outer strength. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Open to Warrior 2, grounding yourself in resilience and focus as you extend your arms wide. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. Flow to triangle pose, extending through the sides of your body and opening your heart space for deeper awareness. Transition to seated by returning to mountain pose, then lowering carefully to the mat. Seated forward fold, Paschimottanasana. Extend your legs, inhale to lengthen the spine, and exhale into a fold. Relish the surrender and calm this pose delivers. Half Lord of the Fishes pose, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Gently twist to each side, releasing tension and building spinal mobility. Butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. Feel the release in your hips and lower body as you gently fold in compassion toward yourself. Supine twist, Supta Matsyendrasana. Lie on your back, twisting gently to each side for a deep release. Legs up the wall pose, Viparita Karani. Surrender completely as you rest with your legs elevated, restoring your energy. Corpse pose, Savasana. End in Savasana, the ultimate embrace of peace and presence. Let your body integrate the benefits of your practice as you breathe deeply. Move with breath. Align each movement to your inhale or exhale for seamless connection. Focus on alignment. Keep transitions mindful and steady to avoid strain. Modify as needed. Embrace props like blocks or blankets as tools for growth and comfort. Through regular practice of combined sequences, you cultivate strength, grace, and stillness in perfect balance. This journey into standing and seated flows reflects the essence of yoga itself, finding alignment, control, and grounding, both on the mat and in life. Let these poses inspire a more centered, serene, and empowered you. Namaste.